I am healthy. I am happy. I am blessed. I am attracting wealth and abundance. I'm always able to manifest more money in my life. I'm able to have money and success. I'm able to release financial blocks, and I'm able to allow money to enter my life. I am grateful for the money I have now and the money that it's on its way to me. I am loving, and I love when people love to give me money. I am wealthy and healthy. I'm able to easily afford a lifestyle that I choose. I am a powerful magnet for wealth. I'm attracting a monthly sum of money that gives me total freedom in my life. I'm a magnet for wealth. I'm able to accept unexpected money. I'm able to receive unexpected abundance from multiple sources, and I am receiving them. I am attracting prosperity. I am expecting financial prosperity, and I deserve it. I am aware that being rich gives me the power to help countless people in this world, and I am open to accepting it now. I am worthy of financial freedom. Every day, in every way, I'm becoming wealthier and wealthier, healthier and healthier, happier and happier. I'm able to look at my finances without fear, and I'm able to commit to behaviours that increase my wealth. I'm worthy of all the richness that I desire. I'm able to accept the money that comes to me in miraculous ways. I'm feeling money pouring into my life now. I notice that money flows into my life with ease. I am making money. It is my superpower, and financial freedom is my quest. I am watching as money flows in to my life, and I am feeling so rich and so wealthy and financially set for life. I'm allowing wealth, success, and prosperity to flow to me and from me. I'm able to accept that my finances improve beyond my wildest dreams. I am a magnet for financial abundance and prosperity. I'm seeing no limits to the amount of money I can make in this lifetime. I'm able to easily afford my gorgeous home, my luxury car, my wealthy lifestyle, and my fun travelling and enjoying life with my family and friends and loved ones. I'm finding it easy and effortless to attract money, and I am giving myself permission to prosper now. I'm attaining the riches and success that I desire. I am always enough, and I always have enough. I am enough, that money comes to me easily and money is available to me. I am taking positive actions to increase my financial life. I am deserving of being free of financial worries. I'm receiving abundance in all areas of my life. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am happy. I am wise. I am youthful. I am enjoying life to the full. I am able to manifest limitless amounts of money. And I'm able to trust in the happiness, success, and abundance that is already headed my way. I'm able to handle large sums of money wisely. I'm on the path to a wealthy and healthy life. I'm creating a life filled with gratitude, love, and positivity. I'm a vessel of financial abundance. I allow money to flow easily to me. I accept, and I am accepting of the fact that there are no limits to the amount of money that I can make. I'm welcoming unlimited sources of income. I'm opening up additional income streams so that I always have money coming in.